How to switch back to personal account on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can switch back to personal account on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Insta. After you do that, make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now, if you head over to your profile, you'll notice the professional dashboard. That means that you are on a professional account. So if you're on a professional account, tap on the top three lines that is on the top right corner and then scroll down. After you scroll down for a bit, you'll find an option that says this right here. Let me show you. You'll see creator tools and controls. Head over there. After you're there, if you scroll down again, you'll see an option that says switch account type. Tap on switch account type and there you'll find switch to personal account. So simply tap on switch to personal account and then confirm it. After doing that, it might take some time, but your account will now be switched back into a personal account. And there you can see the professional dashboard is also gone. And yeah, that's basically how you do it, guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.